Hello there, let's do a trade recap. Fucking shit happened. We have fucking missed all of the trades. The trades we have predicted today is Friday, the market is gonna go off. Trades we have predicted. We fucking haven't took that trades yet. Look at this. The first trade was NZUSD. Oh my god. We're waiting for the candlestick to close under this area. It closed. And then we have the retracement. We should taking this trade, man. It should be taking this trade. Like, this is brilliant. We got the break. Oh my god. We got the break, retest. Ah, that is what I'm talking about. Something is somewhere wrong in our system. That is why I'm creating the checklist to prove me that this is a trade we can take. And ZUSD, we missed the beautiful trade right there. And then ZJPY, we missed this beautiful trade again as well in this trade. We would end up. So I don't want to talk about that fucking shit, man. We missed the trades a lot. Next is, oh my god, my cam is too big, too big to be true. Let me just. Oh, I'm doing the not daily review, right? I'm doing the what I'm doing right here. Trading and chart analysis. Oh no, trade recap. Yeah. So yeah, I'm actually tracking the time every single minute. So Euro USD, this was a beautiful entry. We missed this trade. We missed it. We are predicted, man. We were waiting for a candlestick to close under this line. It closed and it just fucking shit happened. GBP AUD, we were waiting for the price candle to close under and then get bullish. It never get bullish. Avoided the loss. CAD JPY. Beautiful trade, yeah. This was also a beautiful trade. Look at this motherfucking shit, yeah. Look at this fucking shit. We missed the trade. I'm gonna use this anger not to take one more trade. I'm gonna use this anger to fit. Sorry, I'm so sorry. To finish the analysis videos, which is going to grow, which is going to pull up the data from the older market, like have past market, to finish the software, which is what I'm actually working on. Look at this. No, not yeah. Look at this is a software which is going to tell us. It's just so simple. We just need to tell to our software, trading software, that the trading software is asking us, does weekly is bearish or not. So we just need to answer yes or no. It's so simple. I'm making the trading so simple that we just need to answer yes and no. No, there should be no, like, that there should be no brain should be get used. That is where I'm actually working on. It's like if weekly is bearish, we just go on a real market and we just see our weekly time frame is, oh shit, we're creating the lower low, lower high. Holy shit, it's bearish. So we just need to answer yes. That's it. And the next question appears. We just need to answer yes or no. If we see the retracement candle, that is a blue candle. If we don't, we don't. We just say the no or say the yes. It is so simple. Then after the question's over, the checklist will tell, the software will tell us this trade is ready to buy or ready to sell, or you should wait, or like, this is like, I'm adding my whole experience in this. And this is exact same rules was make us a first six-figure payout. But after that, I just stopped using the rules and I just started losing. And that is only the reason I got out of trading plan, because I was not having a proper trading plan which is like yes or no. That is why I was started breaking the trading plan and this fucking shit happened. But that is the only reason I started creating this software. This software is going to not only help me to stick to the plan, it will also make me consistently. This is so fucking crazy. Signing off, boys. Peace. We'll come back. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be having a Sunday swings right there. The analyst is analyzing the next week trades. Let's do this. Peace.